Does your Massachusetts homeowners insurance policy cover you when your property is in another state? Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing law here in Massachusetts for 40 years, and along with my partner, Rashan Jian, we represent victims of personal injury and legal malpractice. And I was asked to talk about this topic, but it's complicated, and there's cases. You can read about the cases on our website, on our blog. But the bottom line is, if you are a homeowner, you really need to check carefully about what is protected. If you bring something from a property in Massachusetts to a property in another state, and that causes injury, that may be protected, but it may not. And certainly if you have a property in another state and there's a fire or an injury there, it's not likely to be covered by your homeowner's insurance policy here in Massachusetts, unless it's specifically listed as another property, another place that's insured. So when we represent victims of personal injury, which we do a lot of, they come from Massachusetts, they may go to another state, they rent an Airbnb, what have you. Are these covered? Typically, you need local insurance, and in Massachusetts anyway, people are obligated to give you their insurance policy. The insurance policy limits. It's not always the case in other states. So, if you're a victim of a personal injury in another state, check carefully with the property owner about what insurance they have, what insurance cover they have. If you come to us at Burns & Jian, we're going to do that for you. And it can be very complicated, especially when someone owns a few properties and some are owned by an LLC. Their personal property may be held in a trust. The property in another state may be in somebody's name that you don't quite recognize, the parent, the grandparent, a brother or sister. It's hard to know a lot of the time who is the owner, and we work very carefully with clients to figure out how to get them the best possible result. Car accidents, it's a little easier. Cars are interstate, so insurance companies understand what that is, and they're controlled by the Interstate Commerce Clause of the Constitution. But for homeowners, it's a little different. So does your insurance cover it in another state? If you're a homeowner, check carefully because you really want to be covered. If you're a victim, call us. We'll see if we can help you. And if you have a serious personal injury, call us quickly, because you, especially in another state, when something happens, there may be statute of limitations issues, there may be securing witness statement and picture issues, getting video, things of that nature. So call. It's a free initial consultation. 617-227-7423. Thank you.